Flexfab's global reach allows us to be a preferred supplier for manufacturers across the world. Exhaust gas recirculation technology has boosted the efficiency of modern diesel engines while reducing harmful emissions, providing a powerful two-part benefit to the heavy-duty trucking industry. Whether you are driving in extremely cold temperatures or extreme heat, EGR hoses can become brittle or lose their seal, allowing exhaust gas leakage. Flexfab's proprietary silicone designs have superior compression set, improving the life of the seal, promoting engine efficiency, and reducing downtime for repairs. Whether you need a straight or elbow hose, our EGR hoses are designed to exceed the most extreme duty cycle requirements. To maximize your diesel engine's efficiency and minimize your downtime, trust Flexfab for your EGR hoses every time.